as an active member of the board, it's been a privilege to work alongside with so many passionate individuals who have contributed to the music industry.
To everyone who voted, to our Bloom, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat po. Let's continue to support and inspire each and everyone.
Nakikita natin yung mga taga-suporta natin, inaawit yung music na pinaghirapan natin kasi nararamdaman natin kung ano yung mensahe na nakaka-relate sila, na talagang tumatago sa kanila at nagiging inspirasyon din sila sa ibang tao. So, to be recognized dun sa mga ginagawa natin, sobrang nakakatawa po ng puso. Alam ko, gusto ko lang din sabihin na mabuhay lahat ng artists na dito ngayon na gumagawa ng musika. Mabuhay din natin dito ngayon.
Music will always be a part of my life because after all, what is life without music? Muli ay nagpapasalamat po ako sa officers ng PARI at sa bumubuo ng Awit Awards for giving me this award. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
So here's an award like this from the Awit Awards. I would like to thank everybody who's part of this wonderful event and award organizers. And also I'd like to thank mga kababayan ko po sa Quezon na sumusuporta sa akin and pagbubutin ko po ang career ko dito, and I hope
yung lahat. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin namin ma-digest na ganito na kalayo yung narating namin at ng music namin. Nakabahan ako, nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Thank you, Awit at PARI. Maraming salamat sa award na to.
So, I'm very proud kasi natalo niya ang Gento at saka I Want You. So, bawi na lang next time, boys! Maraming salamat po, syempre, of course, to Yumi Us Manila for making my visions come to life.
Members of the band who are not with us anymore, we wouldn't get here if they never chased this dream with us. So thank you. And Mika, of course, our manager.